Hey guys, I'm going to be in Oklahoma May the 19th, which is this Saturday, at a Mass Traction event. Mass Traction are the guys that prep the track when Dodge set their record-breaking time. So I'm going to be in Tulsa, Oklahoma at this Mass Traction event. If you're in the area, guys, make sure to stop by. Come out, check us out. You know what we're doing, snatching souls. Let's get on with it. Peace. All right, guys, this time I had a chance to try my hand at some bracket racing again. I ran in a 10.0 index. It was amazing to see how the two bracket racers that was in the class with us were able to dial their times in. Also had a chance to race my good buddy Paul Moody with his car Excessive. It runs a Bravo package. I believe it's about 1,000 horsepower HELLCAT. We were all running off of a Pro Tree. And when you're on that Pro Tree, the lights come quick, guys. So you better be ready, because if you're not, you can be blinded by the lights. You know what I'm doing, snatching souls.
So, can you tell everybody what happened, what it feel like with that Nissan GTR?
Man,
Did you get your soul snatched?
Yeah, Demonology got me this time, but man, best believe it's gonna be a rematch soon.
Hey, it's coming soon.
It's coming soon, man.
It's all good, it's all good. Hey, that GTR is a beast. Now his is just lightly modded, correct?
Right.
Okay, now they got some modded out there that
that's
you can't
crazy,
touch.
Man.
It's something
that's pretty crazy out there, man.
Yes, sir.
But
all right, guys.
hey.
Moving.
The computer will randomly select when it's going to actually light up the three bulbs, the three yellows, and from then to green is 4/10. So if you're racing on that tree, whether it be a 4.0 or a 5.0 Pro Tree is what it's called, then on a 4.0 Pro Tree, I can recommend as soon as you see any kind of flash or any kind of light that's unusual, you go. You don't wait and go, oh, that's yellow, because you're screwed if you wait that long. You have to be ready, and you got to understand that the computer doesn't give a rip about who you are, and as soon as that second bulb comes on to the second driver, that computer can hit it right then. And I mean, it may not even be a tenth of a second, or it may be 2 or 3 seconds. But it will never be the same, and the reason for that is so somebody cannot go up there and, well, they'll time the tree and go 1, 2, go, and then they anticipate and they may get lucky and they beat you because they're lucky, not because they're good.
Well, thank you, Rod. We really appreciate your expert advice. So there we go, guys. We have it from Rod Hetzel, the master Cobra Jet racer. Hey, here we go, guys. Let's get back to the races.
Hey guys, it's Demonology, and I'm here with
Michael Stone.
Michael Stone. Also runs a Ford Mustang. Can you tell us about your Mustang, Michael?
We have full BMR suspension, a strange fabricated 9-inch rear end, a 480 transmission by RPM, stock motor on E85 with a TVS blower. Car's been 950s several times. Today we're running 10.0 index, but we went out first round, we broke the shift link, so we'll be back up and running.
Yeah, Michael's actually racing me the first round, and he had me, and I thought he was on his brakes a little bit too much at the end, but we found that his shift link is broke, and that's why he slowed down, and I was able to pass him and win that first round with a 10-2, and I think you slowed all the way down like 11.
Yeah, it was.
So yeah, it was like you just put on the brakes. So I was wondering what the heck happened, because man, you were flying, you were out of there. Yeah. And you know, we both cut some good light. Anyway, Mike, hey man, it's great. It's great running with you. We have a mutual friend, which is Rod and Missy.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, I'm Demonology. You know what I'm doing. I'll see you out there on the streets. Peace.
Appreciate it, bud.
Blinded by the light.
I don't know, man. GM type
Blinded by the light. Blinded by the light. Wrapped up like a noose to the roller in the night. Blinded by the light. Wrapped up like a noose to the light. Wrapped up like a noose to the roller in the night. Blinded by the light. Blinded by the light. Blinded by the light.
We got a Hemi CUDA.
Blinded by the
He's gonna be
light.
racing a Dodge Demon. Kind of, you know, new school, old school. The Demon's pretty much what that Hemi CUDA was back in the day.
Blinded by the light. Wrapped up like a noose under the roller in the night. Blinded by the light. Wrapped up like a noose under the roller in the night. Blinded by the light. Wrapped up like a noose under the roller in the night. Blinded by the light.
And the CUDA took the win.
Blinded by the light.
All right, guys. Hey, this is Demonology. Look, guys, when I'm out here at the track, I need a place to put my stuff. My man Daniel always helps me out. Him and his girl Melinda. Thank you, Melinda, for y'all helping me out. Look, guys, Daniel has this big trailer. It'll hold 2 vehicles as well as both of his motorcycles. And this is where we hang out at, guys. So if you see this guy out running his Demon, matter of fact, the last video I had where I was racing the Demon, I was racing Daniel.
He was a little bit ahead of me. He got better
I was ahead of him because of the tires. I told him to get those nittos off of there and put some sticky Mickeys on his car, and then he'll be right there running with me. So we're gonna keep snatching souls, guys. When you see us out at the track, be a friend, come see us, come talk to us. You know what we're doing. Snatching souls, right?
there.
All right, guys. Let's take it. All right, guys. Hey, this Demonology, guys. This is one of my subscribers, Tim. Tim follows me, keeps up with me. Saw me out on the track. I did okay today, Tim, but when I got against that old school AAR CUDA, he ended up out getting me as far as bracket racing just by a little bit. But we still had a good time. Hey, anytime you stop by my jiu-jitsu school, Tim, you see me, come in there and holler at me, okay?
I will do that.
All
and
right,
I caught some stage.
Let me tell you something, Gino, and you out here talking about a clique. The only clique you need to know about is the Harlem Heat and Sister Sherry. See, because what you dealing with here is the brotherhood.
Hey, I got something to say. Our love ain't real too real. Be here. Next time, be here.
Hey,
Be
Real to
here,
Real,
be
you
here.
heard that. See, I'm looking for you next time. Be here. All right. Hey, man, I'm going to have Real to Real with me next time.
All right.
All right, then.
Thank you.
Take care, brother.